Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Automart A2B. Today we got this lovely Fiat 500 covered in a really nice grey colour, a silver accent everywhere, nice wheels as well. So in this video I'll be showing you around the car. If any wear and tear, I'll let you know. To start off with, we got this daytime running halogen lights, those night lights as well, silver trim on the front bumper there. Really lovely car for someone who's looking ideally who's just got their driving license or something cheaper to run. So yeah, it's got 16-inch alloy wheels. Don't worry about the scuffs, we will be getting the wheels refurbed. Our body shop does a nice job. It's a 3-door, really nice as well. Silver trim, Fiat 500 logo there. Second wheel there doesn't look that bad. Really lovely boot space, which is nice and handy. As you can see, it's been really looked after. Third alloy there, a couple of scuffs there, don't worry. So yeah, as you can see, can't fault the car anywhere with wear and tear on the outside. Let's jump in and I'll show you the miles done by the car. You have this suede interior and leather mixture on it. It's a rear seats for you. Views as well. Nice. The front windows are electric, which is nice and lovely. Turn it off for you. So yeah, the car's got fabric all around the car. It's got the aircon up there. You do have your Fiat radio, which is FM and AM. The car's done about 67. Let's have a look. Doors open, sorry. There we go. It's just the fuel light on at the moment. Just waiting for the miles to show up. But yeah, it's got city modes up here. Got front fog lamps up there. The parking hazards. Climate control, which is nice. 5-speed manual gearbox. Your electric windows for front driver and the passenger. So the car's done 67,077 miles, which is nothing. Really nice. You got your wipers down there, headlights up here, and the previous owner did put Bluetooth hands-free function, which is nice. It's done a good service history as well. As you can see, the timing belt watch changed at 52,000 miles. And the last service was done at 66. So this next service will be done by us, and we'll leave with minimum 9 months of MOT. Okay, if you want to know more of the car, please get in touch with our sales team and they will be happy to help you. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.